What if I told you the fastest growing job in Australia right now is not doctor, not lawyer, and not even traditional software developer? It is an AI engineer. AI is no longer just a future trend. Australian companies are already using it in banking, healthcare, retail, education, meaning real estate and customer support, also in cybersecurity and government services. According to LinkedIn 2026 report, AI engineer is the number one fastest growing job in Australia, and some AI related roles are now reaching salaries of 165 to 200k and even 250k depending on experience and company and seniority. So, if you are a student, job seeker, career changer, or a tech professional, this video could literally change your next 5 years. The real question is not will AI take my job? The real question is will I learn AI before my job changes? So, today let's talk about the top 5 AI jobs in Australia in 2026. Number 1 is AI engineer or machine learning engineer. This is the person who build real AI systems like chatbots, fraud detection tools, recommendation system, and many apps, automation tools, and AI-powered business software. To enter this field, you need skills like Python, machine learning, APIs, cloud management, data handling, TensorFlow, PyTorch, OpenAI APIs, LangChain, and real project experience. The best part is that you do not need to be a PhD researcher to start. If you are already a software developer, Flutter developer, web developer, backend developer, or a data analyst, this is one of the strongest career upgrade you can make. Number 2 is Director of Artificial Intelligence. This is the leadership role where you decide how a company should use AI across the business. You are not just writing code, you are creating AI strategy, finding where AI can save money, increase revenue, improve operations, and reduce risks. This role is perfect for senior developers, managers, consultants, product owners, CTOs, and business analysts who understand both technology and business. This is why this role can play extremely well, sometimes reaching 250k, especially in large companies, bank consulting, and enterprise tech. So, the number 3 is data scientist with AI specialization. A normal data scientist studies data, but an AI specialized data scientist uses machine learning, large language models, forecasting, automation, and predictive analytics to help companies make smarter decisions. For example, a retail company may want to predict which product will sell next month. A bank may want to detect suspicious transactions. A hospital may want to predict patient demand, or a marketing team may want to know which customer are most likely to buy. For this role, you need Python, SQL, statistics, data visualization, machine learning, Excel, or even Power BI. And now LLM skills like prompt engineering and embeddings. This is the great path for people, for university students, finance people, analysts, and anyone who enjoys working with numbers and patterns. The number 4 is AI product manager. This is one of the most interesting AI jobs because you do not need to be the best coder in the room. An AI product manager site between business, design, developers, customers, and AI teams. This decide what AI features should be built, what problem it solve, how customer will use it, what data is needed, and how success will be measured. For example, if a company wants to build an AI customer support assistant, the AI engineer build the system, but the AI product manager decide what the assistant should do, what feature matter, and how it will create value for customers. In simple words, the AI engineer build the engine, but the AI product manager decide where the car should go. The number 5 is the one and only prompt engineer or an AI trainer, and this could be one of the easiest entry point into the AI industry. A prompt engineer writes and tests instructions for AI tools, while an AI trainer reviews AI responses, correct mistakes, creates examples, and help improve AI system. This role is useful in customer support and marketing and education, legal tech, chatbot design, content creation, and business automation. But here is the honest truth: prompt engineer the prompt engineers alone may not always pay like senior AI engineer roles. The real money comes when you combine prompt engineering with another skills like coding, marketing, data analysis, and business automation or customer support systems. So don't just learn how to write prompts, learn how to solve real business problems using AI. So these are the top 5 AI jobs in Australia for 2026. AI engineer, director of artificial intelligence, AI specialized data scientist, AI product managers, and prompt engineer or an AI trainer. But remember, AI will not reward people who only watch videos. AI will reward people who build skills, create projects, and show proofs. So today, choose one path. If you like coding, go for AI engineer. If you like data, go for data scientist. If you like business, go for AI product manager. If you already have experience, aim for AI leadership. And if you are just starting, begin the prompt engineering and AI tools. The AI wave is already here in Australia. The only question is, will you ride the wave or will you watch others get hired first? Comment AI if you want complete roadmap to get your first AI job in Australia.